Are you serious? And even more bad news, his live stream got removed for a community guidelines violation. No! Oh my god! First he got a community guidelines removal, and now his Google account will stop working in 14 days. No!